I ordered some parts from this website. Neighbor recommended it. Said that parts are high quality. So let's check it out.
Look at shoes. This. What's inside? Look at shoes.
What's inside?
What's inside?
What's inside?
Such a big idea.
Open it. Take it out. Here.
Wait a minute.
What's this? For the water pump for a Volkswagen Jetta. Whoa. Feels real nice. And with the gasket. Oh yeah. All right.
Oh,
Next box.
look at this.
What the heck? What's that, Ray?
Look at this. Look at this.
So I try to do this with one hand.
Look at this. Look at this.
These are brake pads for a Honda Pilot. Wow, what do you?
Whoa, what up there?
Out.
Look at this. That could be.
Oh.
Oh. A box. A box.
Not too shabby. Pretty cool. I think I spent under $100 on this stuff.
Why?
Pretty cool. So yeah, highly recommended. RockAuto.com. Alright. So like this video if you did. Comment, let me know if you guys order from there or not. And of course, you can subscribe to me. This is y'all channel. Thank you very much. A bonus. Magnets. It's a collector series magnet, I guess. Built with parts.
Oh.
RockAuto.com. All the parts your car will ever need.